Right then, this is Snapshot 1 of Ubuntu 26.04 LTS. I thought I'd give it a look, see how it's coming along. On account of, I'm still pretty happy with 2404 on the other HP laptop. Yeah, I've got three. I've got the crappy little black one that I've just done the Debian install on. I've got a little smaller one, sort of 13-inch, with the touch screen, which I bought new about 4 years ago now. And I got this one, which I bought second-hand from CEX. New, I tell a lie, from Cash Converters for a couple of hundred. It's an i5. It's all right. It's not too bad. I'll show you what it is. I'll show you what it is in the thing. It's down here, isn't it? Down here. System. About. Yes, there you go. Well, yeah, we're on Resolute Raccoon. And we've still got the what is it? Questin Quokka or something wallpaper, because we're not on beta release or anything yet. This is a Snapshot 1. Yeah, so the laptop is the 15S FQ4 with an 11th gen i5 1155G7, 8 core, 8 gigs of RAM, 256 gig hard drive. Shitstem details, there you go. Resolute Raccoon development. Running on Wayland because you don't get any choice in it now. Yeah, I thought I'd give it a go just to see how ropey it is. It doesn't seem to be that ropey, quite honestly, just yet. Obviously, things are still in flux. It's a long way from a beta just yet. We've got 3 months to go. Just under 3 months to go before we get the full release. And 4 months before you get the notification to really update from the previous LTS. I believe that's how it goes. Sits around for about a month before it asks you to upgrade. So let me just show you these pictures, what I did of the screen grabs. Okay, so yeah, so this is the first one. Just to prove to you what it was and how many updates. 990 updates. After installing it, there was 990 updates to do. I took this screen grab in case they balked the system. Appear to have not balked the system. Where's the thing for the next picture? There it is. Okay, yeah, and there's some of what they were. And it needed to get 1351.6 megabytes to do those updates. Yikes. Well, it did it, and it did them, and it didn't throw out any errors. It just had the occasional little warning, sort of like, well, we're going to have to revert to doing it this way, whatever. Yeah, tis what tis. It's not even a beta yet, so you know, there's going to be stuff like that. Oh yeah, let's have another look at the system, see what kernel we've got in there at the minute. 618.08 generic. Gnome 49. I did it with the install with the basic amount of apps, so there's not much on here. I didn't want to complicate things with extra software, so I've not got encryption and so on and so on and so on. So the only things that I've installed are these two. This one because it comes with this one, and that's not the Snap. I got the Deb for these ones. Okay, what to say? It's working. Have a quick look at the wallpapers. Wouldn't be me if I didn't, would it? So I guess they're going to be still the questing quokka ones, aren't they? Little rodent-y kangaroo-y things. Yeah, they've not changed since 1510. So that's that. I haven't messed about with any of the theming settings, the sidebar, what do you call it, dock, dash dock, whatever it is. Haven't changed any of that. I haven't mucked about with anything. Just installed a bit of OBS to record that I'm trying it out. Can report back. Seems to be working alright, even if it is Wayland. If you've got NVIDIA, I would not touch this with a barge pole for a good while yet, because every time I've used Wayland with NVIDIA, it always goes scatty. Really going to have to start investing in some AMD stuff, in which case I'm going to have to get a bloody job. That's a mental note to myself. Mental note to my mental self. Yeah, so what can I say? Just very quickly, I've installed Snapshot 1 of Ubuntu 26.04 LTS, which is what, Rancid Raccoon or Rapid Raccoon or something like that. That'll do. I'm going to sign off because I really haven't got much to say, because I'm not really going to be doing that much other than seeing how it updates over the... if I don't decide to put something else on here over the next few weeks. Yeah, see how long that lasts. See how long this lasts. Might surprise me. And